today's class, let's focus on our side fat. Side fat is nothing but it is your belly fat which gets accumulated around sides on your lower back. So in today's class, we will do some yoga postures and stretchings and also some twisting postures, yoga postures, which will not only help you to reduce your side fat, but these all yoga postures will also help you to reduce your tummy fat and the fat which gets accumulated around your lower back. So without any further delay, let's get started. All you need is your mat and a bottle of water. So let's begin the class. Start in a child pose with thighs as wide as your mat. Rest your butt on both the heels, chest and forehead down on the mat. Hands either by your sides or extended forward. Take a moment to release all your muscle tension here. Be ready for today's class, which will be fun and challenging both. Take a couple of deep breaths. Inhale and exhale in this posture. Now lift your head and stretch both your hands towards right side and then towards the left side by dropping your head on the floor. This will stretch your side muscles. Be in this posture for a couple of breaths. Now come to the center by extending your hands forward and dropping your forehead on the mat. Now lift your head off the floor and come in all fours with hands and knees on the floor. We will do thread and needle stretch here. On an exhalation, slide your right arm underneath your left arm with palm facing up. Let your right shoulder come all the way down to the mat. Rest your right ear and cheek on the mat and gaze towards your left. Hold for a few seconds and gently slide your right hand out. Now slide your left arm underneath your right arm and left arm extended forward. Rest your left ear and cheek on the mat and gaze towards your right. Hold for a few seconds and gently slide the left hand out. Come to all fours again in a tabletop position. Slowly begin to walk your hands out in front of you, lowering your chest and forehead down towards the ground. Keep your hips over your knees. This is your puppy posture. Remain in this pose anywhere between 5 to 10 breaths. Then gently lift your forehead and walk palms back towards the body. Sit in Sukhasana with both legs crossed. Keep your right forearm on the mat. Inhale, raise your left hand up towards the ceiling and with exhale, bend your left hand towards the right side You will feel intense stretch on the left side of the body. Inhale, bring your left hand on the floor. Now repeat the same on the other side. Put your left forearm on the mat. With inhalation, raise your right hand up towards the ceiling, and with exhale, bend it towards left side and feel stretch on the right side of the body. With inhalation, bring your right hand on the floor. We will do this stretch one more time. So with inhalation, raise your left arm up towards the ceiling and bend it towards the right side. Then bring it back on the floor. Now inhale, bend your right arm towards the left side of the body and be in this position for a couple of breaths and bring it back on the floor. Now let's do side twist. Inhale, hold your right knee with your left hand and place the right hand just behind your back. With exhale, twist towards your right side and hold the position for some time. Now repeat the same on your left side. Inhale, hold your left knee with your right hand. Left hand should be at the back, and with exhale, twist towards left side. Gaze at the back. Now repeat the same one more time. From Sukhasana, extend your right leg out, toes pointing towards the ceiling. Your left foot should be placed close to the inner right thigh. Now place your right palm on the floor. With inhalation, raise your left arm towards the ceiling, and with exhalation, bend the hand towards right side, grabbing the right big toe. Be in this position for few breaths. I'm sure you are feeling intense side stretch on your left side. So am I. Before we change side, let's stretch one more time. Now change the side. Extend your left leg out, toes pointing towards the ceiling. Your right foot should be placed close to the inner left thigh. Now place your left palm on the floor. With inhalation, raise your right arm towards the ceiling, and with exhalation, bend the hand towards left side, grabbing the left big toe. Be in this position for few breaths. So again we will do this stretch one more time. Raise your right hand up and grab the left big toe and be in this position for a couple of breaths. You will feel intense stretch on the right side of the body. Be in this posture for a couple of breaths, and with inhalation, gently release the hand and bring it back on the floor. Again we will do side twist stretch. Fold your left leg with your left shin placed at 90-degree angle. Now place your right leg on top of left leg with right knee pointing towards the ceiling and foot on the mat. With inhalation, put your left elbow at the side of right knee. Right hand will be placed at the back. With exhalation, twist your torso towards right side and gaze at the back. Hold this position for some time. Now change side. Place your right leg at 90-degree angle on the mat. Place your left leg on top of right leg with left knee pointing towards the ceiling and left foot on the mat. With inhalation, put your right elbow at the side of left knee, left hand to be placed at the back. With exhalation, twist your torso towards left side and gaze at the back. Remain here for some time. Then release from the posture and repeat the same thing once again. In my channel, you will generally see lot of stretching videos because I love to stretch my body every single day. And I believe with my experience that stretching is the 70% solution of your problem. So I recommend all of you to stretch your body every single day. Stretching can be little discomfort for the beginners, and you might experience soreness in the muscle at the beginning. But if you do it regularly, this discomfortness will go very soon and you will experience tremendous change in your body. When you are done, release from the posture and lie down on the mat. Bend your knees and lift them together off the mat and bring it close to the chest. Hands to be kept at the side. Now start twisting your legs towards right side and then towards left, gazing towards the opposite direction. Keep on alternating, and when you are done, bring your legs back on the floor. And when you are done, bring your legs back on the floor and come to tabletop position. Now we will do some cardio for burning side fat. Place your forearm on the mat with shoulder distance apart. Extend both your legs by tucking your toes. Engage your core muscle and lift your shoulder. In this position, we will bring our body forward and then backward. Remember to engage your abs throughout the exercise so that your back do not arch. We will do it for at least 10 times or more. Bring your body forward and then backward. While bringing your body forward, you have to inhale, and while bringing your body backward, you need to exhale. When you are done, come to tabletop with hands and knees on the floor. Now from here, tuck your toes and lift your hip high to come to down dog position. Stable your body in this posture. Then dip your hip side to side for at least 10 times or more. Don't forget to breathe and to engage your core muscle. Try to do all the exercises for at least 3 times for better result, and take 20 seconds break after finishing one set of exercise. When you are done, come back to tabletop with forearm on the mat and legs extended back. This is forearm plank position. Now start dipping your hip side to side for at least 10 times or more. Here also you need to squeeze your abs throughout the exercise. In this session, we are aiming to burn our side fat, which are also called muffin top or love handles. But these all are targeting even your belly fat and lower back fat as well. Not only this, you will be able to build strength in the body with these exercises. Now let's rotate our body side to side in Vasishthasana or side plank. Your one forearm should be on the mat and other raised up towards the ceiling. Both the feet should be stacked together. Engage your core muscle and keep on alternating sides. Do this for 10 times or more. When you are done, come back to tabletop. Now with inhalation, extend your left hand forward and right leg backward. We will do crunches here. With exhalation, squeeze your abs to touch the left elbow with your right knee. Keep on doing this for at least 10 times or more. Throughout the exercise, you have to engage your core muscle and keep the spine straight and neutral. Don't hunch back. Now change side. Extend your right hand forward and left leg backward. With exhalation, squeeze your abs to touch the right elbow with your left knee. Do this for at least 10 times or more. Keep on engaging your core muscle. Do not hunch your back and keep the back straight and neutral. In next exercise, we will twist side to side with legs wide open. So spread your legs wide open, more than shoulder distance. Bring both your palms on the ground. Keep your core and quad muscle engaged. Then lift your one hand at a time towards the ceiling, twisting your torso. Keep on alternating sides. Do this for at least 10 reps or more. After you are done, bring both your knees down on the ground and sit in Dandasana with legs extended forward. We will hold Navasana, both pose for at least 5 breaths or more. Inhale, bend your legs and lift them together with shin parallel to the floor. This is the easy version of boat pose posture. Your hand should extend forward and toes pointed. Just see whether you can hold the Navasana with straight legs and toes pointed. This is the actual posture. If you can't, then come back to the previous one with bent knees. Then hold the posture for at least 5 breaths or more. After holding the posture for 5 breaths or more, bring the legs back on the floor. We will hold Navasana again. Remember to bend the knees if you can't hold the posture with straight legs. So inhale, lift your legs straight, your toes should be pointed and hands extended forward. With exhalation, you have to hold this posture for a couple of breaths. Remember to inhale and exhale in this posture. Gaze towards your big toes so that you can maintain the balance in the body. Remember, strength and flexibility can't be built overnight. For seeing the result, you need to be consistent. And fat loss is also not a rocket science, but everything needs practice. If you liked watching the video, please support the channel by subscribing it. Like, share and comment the video, and do press the bell button for all the new posts. Until then, keep practicing.